Whales are unstoppable. Billions upon billions of Shiba Inu tokens, an enormous sum of money amounting to hundreds of millions of dollars. Moreover, the evidence strongly indicates that this is only the first stage. Individuals are becoming aware of these figures and attempting to take advantage of this favorable circumstance. However, what is the precise occurrence? What is the expected duration of current market frenzy? Indeed, let us ascertain the answer. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Although Bitcoin has surged beyond the $67,000 level, several altcoins have not yet regained their annual highs, even as the market has shifted into a recovery phase. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is also seeing a rebound trend, but it is encountering significant obstacles in the form of several sale barriers. A sell wall is formed when a significant number of sell orders are placed at a certain price level, creating an obstacle that hinders the price from increasing. Consider a scenario where there are 100,000 Shiba Inu tokens being offered for sale at a price of 1 cent each. If purchasers are only interested in acquiring 50,000 tokens at the given price, the supply at that particular level exceeds the demand significantly, hence impeding any upward movement of the price above 1 cent. Nevertheless, there exists a method by which we may overcome these barriers to selling and attain unprecedented peaks for Shiba Inu. However, before delving into that topic, it is necessary to examine the current state of affairs about Bitcoin. Today has been an exceptionally volatile day for Bitcoin, and its influence on Shiba Inu is significant. U.S. Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Funds, ETFs, have had their greatest period of continuous net inflows since their inception, with 18 consecutive days of positive flows as of Thursday. Since their introduction in January, the 11-spot Bitcoin ETFs have accumulated a net inflow of almost $15 billion. The current series of positive net inflows indicates a rebound from the period of stagnation seen in April and May. Despite the fact that the current inflows are not as great as they were in March, the data dashboard of the block shows that there are still consistent positive net inflows. This is mainly due to the significant contribution from BlackRock, which indicates that investors continue to have a strong interest in and trust in Bitcoin. The occurrence of 18 consecutive days of positive inflows is a clear indication of a strong market sentiment. It indicates a growing trend of investors allocating their funds towards cryptocurrency, which is very encouraging for anyone interested in crypto. However, Bitcoin is being acquired not just by conventional investors. Observe this prominent cryptocurrency investor. Based on data conducted by CryptoQuant and reported by Wu Blockchain, it has been shown that about $1 billion worth of Bitcoin is being deposited daily into a very large new whale wallet. Over the last 30 days, the number of Bitcoin accumulated by long-term holders has reached a total of 70,000. Additionally, there has been a monthly increase in demand from large investors, often referred to as whales, at a pace of 4.4%. Now, you may be curious about if 4.4% is a significant figure. Indeed, it is. From a comparative standpoint, if you start with a sum of $10,000 and increment it by 4.4% on a monthly basis over a period of 5 years, the resulting amount would exceed your initial expectations significantly. After a period of 5 years, the initial amount of $10,000 would see significant growth and reach an approximate value of $87,000. This demonstrates the substantial influence of the recent surge in demand from large investors on Bitcoin's market, emphasizing the considerable effect of a monthly gain of 4.4% over a period of time. Furthermore, according to CoinGlass statistics, Bitcoin open interest has just surged to a record-breaking amount of $37 billion. Open interest is the aggregate value of all unsettled Bitcoin futures or options contracts. One may question the significance of this measure. Indeed, open interest is a vital gauge of market mood and activity in the futures and options markets. A substantial level of open interest indicates a notable amount of trading activity and interest in Bitcoin futures, signifying a robust and dynamic market. Contrary to the belief that the crypto market is now stagnant and uninteresting, this is not the case. The unprecedented level of open interest in Bitcoin futures and options indicates that there is a significant amount of enthusiasm and engagement occurring within the cryptocurrency industry. However, I have something rather intriguing to share. Notwithstanding the significant influx of funds and a surge in Bitcoin value over $67,000, data from Google Trends uncovers an unexpected pattern. In contrast to 2021, there is a significant decline in the number of Americans who are doing searches pertaining to Bitcoin, Bitcoin ETFs, its price, or cryptocurrency in general. Google Trends offers a numerical number ranging from 0 to 100, which represents the relative peak popularity of a search topic. On June 5th, the number of searches for Bitcoin from the US was just 31, while Bitcoin ETF had only 1. Other correlated inquiries, such as Bitcoin price and crypto, had somewhat better index scores of 18 and 13, respectively, but nonetheless remained much lower than the search volumes seen during the retail-driven bull market of 2021. Searches relating to cryptocurrencies have declined throughout the year. Significant surges of interest were seen universally on January 11th after the approval of 10 Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, by the United States, and on March 5th, when Bitcoin surpassed $69,000 for the first time since 2021. Significantly, the search interest for Bitcoin reached its highest point in May 2021, a few weeks after hitting the $50,000 mark for the first time, and just before reaching its long-standing record high of over $69,000. The amount of $9,000 was recorded on November 2021. Crypto researcher Miles Deutscher presented statistics showing a substantial decrease in the number of people watching YouTube channels that focus on cryptocurrency in comparison to 2021, even if Bitcoin has exceeded its prior record high. During the height of Bitcoin's popularity in 2021, cryptocurrency-focused YouTube channels were attracting around 4 million views per day. Nevertheless, in the year 2024, even if Bitcoin has achieved record-breaking levels, the number of daily views has declined to about 800,000. Deutscher underlined that the retail sector has not yet fully recovered. He believes that crypto YouTube views are the most accurate measure of the market's present condition. The decrease in viewing indicates that the general interest of mainstream retailers in cryptocurrencies has not reached the same level as during the bullish market of 2021, even if the price of Bitcoin has reached new records. However, after seeing 18 consecutive days of significant investments in Bitcoin ETFs by large investors, one would question why the price of Bitcoin has not seen a sudden and substantial increase. What is the significance of these developments? Indeed, it is an excellent question. Analyst Jimmy provides insight on this matter. According to him, spot Bitcoin ETFs globally only own around 5% of the whole Bitcoin quantity in circulation, with the bulk being held by large investors known as whales. Jimmy observes that while there is a noteworthy increase in ETF inflows, they remain very small in comparison to the substantial amount of Bitcoin being bought and sold by these major investors. He underscores the fact that in the market there must be a seller for every buyer, and the activities of these prominent participants may significantly impact price fluctuations. Despite the lack of quick price response, the current positive sentiment remains intact due to recent occurrences, including 18 straight days of inflows into Bitcoin ETFs and the accumulation of Bitcoin by large investors known as whales. This is due to the fact that these acts indicate an increasing interest and belief in Bitcoin as a kind of investment among both institutional investors and individual traders. Although the current price may not immediately reflect these advancements owing to market variables like short-term speculation and profit-taking, the underlying pattern suggests a solid basis for Bitcoin's long-term growth. In essence, these activities provide the foundation for future increase in prices, even if the impact is not immediately evident in the market's daily swings. However, what is the status of the Shiba Inu breed? If Bitcoin has a substantial price surge as a result of recent advancements, it will have a substantial influence on Shiba Inu. It is well established that the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is acutely responsive to fluctuations in the value of Bitcoin and has a robust association with it. According to research from Into the Block, Shiba Inu is now encountering a significant barrier in the shape of a large cell wall. This wall symbolizes a point when more than 64,000 addresses together own a total of 69 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which accounts for more than 10% of the whole supply. The selling pressure exerted by these addresses often triggers price corrections in Shiba Inu, as seen by recent market fluctuations. Consequently, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has reversed a significant portion of the profits it achieved during the recent surge. Shiba Inu investors may find this scenario exasperating. Investors should be aware that a significant sell wall might hinder the upward movement of a stock. Nevertheless, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is now striving to maintain a steady value above its present price point, intending to establish it as a solid base for a subsequent surge in value whenever optimistic market mood resurfaces. In order to overcome this current obstacle of selling pressure, Shiba Inu would need to decisively clear the resistance level at 0.000027. However, based on historical trends, Shiba Inu is likely to greatly profit from the anticipated upward movement in Bitcoin's price. This is exactly the solution required for Shiba Inu to overcome its present obstacles and continue its upward progress. However, what is your viewpoint on such matter? Please leave a comment below. I am quite interested in reading your viewpoint.